person. She will sing on television. Hic, hic, hic. Dawn is nervous. Oh no, I can sing. I have hiccups. Dawn's mother gives her a scare. Surprise! Hic, hic. Dawn still has hiccups. Put your finger in your ear. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccups. A nurse gives Dawn a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dawn's hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd shouts and cheers.